The Instant Pot has revolutionized kitchens worldwide, offering a versatile and time-saving way to cook. But with so many models on the market, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. Fear not, food enthusiasts. This blog dives deep into the top 5 Instant Pots of 2024, putting them through the expert test kitchen grinder. Number 1. Instant Pot Duo Plus, the overall champion. The Duo Plus reigns supreme as the most well-rounded Instant Pot, boasting a user-friendly interface, 9 cooking functions, and a whopping 25 presets. It tackles everything from pressure cooking to steaming with ease. Its bright LCD keeps you informed, while the progress bar adds a layer of convenience. Expert experience. This multi-cooker truly lives up to its name. The pressure cooking function delivers perfectly cooked rice and beans, while the yogurt maker whips up delicious homemade yogurt. Number 2. Instant Pot Duo, the budget-friendly hero. The Duo offers incredible value for budget-conscious cooks. It retains the core functionalities of the Duo Plus, minus the fancy extras. Don't be fooled by its simplicity. It excels at pressure cooking, slow cooking, steaming, and more. Expert experience. This is a fantastic option for beginners or those seeking a no-frills approach. While it lacks the bells and whistles of other models, it gets the job done efficiently and affordably. Number 3. Instant Pot Rio Wide, spacious solutions. The Rio Wide caters to families and those who love to batch cook. Its wider inner pot allows for increased capacity, perfect for preparing large roasts or hearty stews. Expert experience. This Instant Pot is ideal for feeding a crowd. The wider pot makes it easier to brown meat and braise larger cuts without feeling cramped. Number 4. Instant Pot Duo Crisp Ultimate Lid, the all-in-one wonder. Calling all air fryer enthusiasts, the Duo Crisp goes beyond pressure cooking, featuring an ingenious, detachable air fryer lid. This powerhouse lets you pressure cook, air fry, bake, and roast all in one appliance. Expert experience. This is a game changer for those who crave crispy textures alongside the convenience of pressure cooking. It allows you to create restaurant-quality fries and wings at home with minimal effort. Number 5. Instant Pot Pro Plus, geared for tech-savvy cooks. The Pro Plus caters to the tech-savvy foodie. This smart cooker boasts Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to control and monitor cooking remotely through your smartphone. Additionally, it offers advanced features like a sterilization function and customizable cooking programs. Expert experience. While the Pro Plus offers unparalleled control and features, it comes with a steeper learning curve. However, for those who appreciate automation and precision cooking, this is a worthy investment.